Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of businesses are using AI tools to boost productivity. Mind blown, right? AI is changing the game. Staying ahead is crucial. Let's dive into the top AI tools. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Recently, an AI agent bought a robot. Experts warned about this. Now it's happening. AI is advancing fast. These tools will help you keep up. From content creation to coding, we've got you covered. Get ready to revolutionize your workflow. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It's super customizable. Imagine you need to organize projects. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. It's free or $10 a month. Entrepreneurs love it. Streamline your tasks with Notion. It's a total game changer. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation. It creates engaging content fast. Imagine you need blog posts. Instead of 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's $29 a month. Marketers swear by it. Jasper saves time and boosts productivity. Try it out and see. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is conversational AI. It's like having a personal assistant. Imagine you need help with emails. Instead of 1 hour, Claude does it in 5 minutes. It's free to try. Business owners love it. Claude is super intuitive and easy to use. Give it a shot and see. Chat 5:30 to 6:30. ChatGPT is conversational AI. It's free and super powerful. Imagine you need help with research. Instead of 3 hours, ChatGPT does it in 15 minutes. It's free to use. Students and professionals love it. ChatGPT is a total time saver. It's a must-try. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva is a graphic design platform. It's super user-friendly. Imagine you need social media graphics. Instead of 2 hours, Canva does it in 10 minutes. It's free or $12.95 a month. Designers and non-designers love it. Canva is a total game changer. Try it out and see. Zapier 7:30 to 7:45. Zapier is an automation platform. It connects all your apps. Imagine you need to automate tasks. Instead of 1 hour, Zapier does it in 5 minutes. It's $19.99 a month. Business owners love it. Zapier is super powerful and easy to use. Give it a shot and see. Gamma 7:45 to 8 o'clock. Gamma is AI-powered coding. It's super fast and accurate. Imagine you need to code a project. Instead of 5 hours, Gamma does it in 30 minutes. It's $9.99 a month. Developers love it. Gamma is a total time saver. Try it out and see. Descript 8 to 8:10. Descript is an audio editing platform. It's super easy to use. Imagine you need to edit podcasts. Instead of 2 hours, Descript does it in 10 minutes. It's free to try. Podcasters love it. Descript is a total game changer. Give it a shot and see. ElevenLabs 8:10 to 8:20. ElevenLabs is AI-powered voiceovers. It's super realistic and fast. Imagine you need voiceovers for videos. Instead of 1 hour, ElevenLabs does it in 5 minutes. It's $5 a month. YouTubers love it. ElevenLabs is a total time saver. Try it out and see. Perplexity 8:20 to 8:30. Perplexity is AI-powered research. It's super accurate and fast. Imagine you need to research topics. Instead of 3 hours, Perplexity does it in 15 minutes. It's free to use. Students and professionals love it. Perplexity is a total game changer. Give it a shot and see. Outro 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Which tool surprised you most? Comment below and let me know.